It's a yellow gold, nice black dial with diamond markers with champagne subdials. Hello everyone, my name is Peter and I'm gonna be giving you a tour video of this Rolex Daytona with a reference number of 126508. So here we have this white outer sleeve box, and here we have the extra large box with the old Rolex crown logo. Here we have the factory styrofoam to protect the top. And here we have the watch itself. This one's full gold. It's a yellow gold, nice black dial with diamond markers. This one has a beautiful black dial with champagne subdials. As you can see, it's a beautiful all around super black. Honestly, I love like Daytonas, not only because it's a 40 millimeter, but it also has like a nice look to it. With this one especially, any gold watch that has a black face, I think it's just so classy, and it just is really nice. And not only that, it adds some touch with that, definitely those diamond markers. So yeah, let's go over the condition. Here we have the bottom angle. Here we have the bottom left angle. You have the case side. Here we have the top left. Here we have the top of the watch. Top right. We have the crown side. You have the bottom bottom right. I'm going to show you this clasp. All right, opening this up. Here we have the open clasp. Here you have the case back. Very nice. All right, now we can go ahead and show you the functions of the watch. So this does have the regular screw down crown. Once it's popped out, you can go ahead and manually wind the watch here. And what this does, it just powers the power reserve. And then once you pop it all the way out, or there's only one position, so once you pop it out, you can go ahead and move the hands. So I'm gonna give you a full 24-hour sweep. Nice. Another thing to mention that this does have, it does have a chronograph. So right now the chronograph is moving, but if you want to stop it, you can go ahead and press this stop button, and it also starts it again with this top pusher, which is nice. And simply to activate the pusher, you got to unscrew the pusher, and then this bottom pusher resets it to the 12-hour marker, which is good. All right, one more function there is gonna show you the loom function. So here we have the loom, and this shows that it's lighting up the hour markers and the hands. And it's a blue teal color. I'll show you the set contents now. Here we have the manual of Cosmograph Daytona. Here I have the warranty card with the date and warranty booklet. Here I have both hang tags. Here's showing the white hang tag, and here's the green hang tag. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.